Hey, if you're tired of having residue all over your dishes whenever you run your dishwasher, stay with me in this video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean your dishwasher and get it like new. Let's get at it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And for all my long-time subscribers, welcome back. All right, today I got an easy video for you guys. If you've ever wanted to clean your dishwasher, you know, if your wife is bugging you, or if you just ever wanted to know how to do it easily, this is the video for you. I'm going to break it down for you and show you guys how I clean my dishwasher. And using this method will maintain the cleanliness of your dishwasher so you don't have to worry about all those nasty residues left on your dishes whenever you're running your dishwasher. I'm going to break it down for you depending on which method you want to use, whether you want to use dishwasher cleaners like this one here, or if you want to go for the method that I use, which is just using plain old distilled vinegar. All you need are a couple of things: a spray bottle, a rag, some vinegar, or your dishwashing cleaner pellets. So gather these items, follow these steps, and let's get at it. Let's clean this dishwasher. All right, the first thing you want to do is remove the bottom tray if you can. Typically, these things just lift out. You can just lift your tray out and set it to the side. Once you have your tray removed, look inside your dishwasher and you should see a filter like this and a filter screen. Yours may be a little bit different, but in general, you're going to have some sort of filter in here. What you want to do is go ahead and remove it by just twisting it and pulling it out. You'll see how gross that looks. Yours may look worse than this. Don't be scared. Sometimes these things are really nasty. So take out your filter and take out your filter screen. This usually just pulls up. Once you have these out, let's jump to the next step. All right, the next thing you want to do, once you have your filters removed, is you want to fill your sink with some warm water and dish soap and maybe a cup of this vinegar. Once you have your solution here, you're going to take your filters, you want to drop them in and leave them in there to soak. Depending on how bad they are, you may want to leave them longer. I like to leave it for about an hour while I clean the inside of my dishwasher, and we'll jump to that. But if they're really dirty, you might want to leave this for a couple of hours to soak. The vinegar is going to help dissolve all the grime and stuff that's stuck on these things. So the longer, the better, and the cleaner it's going to be and the easier it's going to be for you when you actually start to clean these things off. All right, so let's leave these things to soak and let's jump into cleaning out the dishwasher. While we're letting the stuff soak in the sink, what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and clean out the inside of your dishwasher as good as possible. Now, I like to use a solution mixed with a little bit of vinegar. I like to put like this much vinegar in the bottom and then fill it with water and then use this solution as my cleaning agent. This is going to work really well. Vinegar is a really good cleaner and it helps kill any mold that may have been built up inside your dishwasher. So what you want to do is you want to spray inside your dishwasher, paying close attention to the areas around the seals by the door and any areas inside and around your door here where you see mold may have built up. Mine isn't too bad. As you can see here, I try to maintain mine at least every few months, and that's why the condition isn't as bad. The first time I did this, it was pretty gross, and you guys may be grossed out the first time you guys do this. But don't worry, once you do this and you get this routine down, you'll be able to clean your dishwasher and show your friends exactly how to clean it and make it nice, crystal clear when you wash your dishes. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's spray this down. Like I say, you want to spray this down inside here and using your towel, wipe any areas where you may see mold have built up. Pay close attention to the seals here. You want to keep this area clean. This is going to provide a good seal whenever you guys are washing dishes. Get into the nooks and crannies and down into the area where the filter is. You can also use this to clean off the blade. Another good thing about using the vinegar is you can always let it sit on the areas that look pretty dirty. Let it sit for 5 or so minutes and then go back and wipe it off. You'll be amazed at how good the vinegar does at cleaning up all the parts inside your dishwasher. All right, once you're done cleaning out the inside of your dishwasher, what you want to do next is you want to put about a cup of white vinegar in a bowl or measuring cup or something like that and set it up here on the top rack. Once you have your vinegar in here, let's go ahead and run a cycle on our dishwasher. While this cycle is running, we're going to go ahead and go clean up our filters. Now that this has been able to sit for a while, we want to go ahead and scrub the parts down. If you have a brush like this, you can go ahead and use it to scrub the areas of your filters. This is going to get into all the nooks and crannies of your filter. Take your time with this. You want to do this for both filters. Go ahead, Clean them all up. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies down inside your filter, especially this one, because this one catches most of the debris from your dishwasher. As you can see here, the filter is looking really clean. We're pretty much done. If there's residue still down in the filter, you can use your spray nozzle to go ahead and get down in there and get this thing as clean as possible. Make sure you pay special attention to this mesh filter as well. You want to make sure that this thing is as clean and dirt-free as possible. Once your filters are nice and clean, let's go ahead and put them back in our dishwasher. Now that your cycle is done running, we can go ahead and take our filter cover, put it back in. Then take your filter, nice and clean, slide it down until it snaps right in. And then you're going to rotate it till it locks in, like that. Now that's done. If you took out your bottom rack, you can go ahead, put your bottom rack back in. Once you got your bottom rack in, you can put it in, close up your dishwasher, and you're done. Hey guys, welcome back. Now listen, this is the trick that I use here. Like I said before, like I said in the intro, distilled vinegar is pretty much all that I use. You do have the option to use these Cascade or whatever dishwasher cleaner you want. And all you would do is when you run the cycle, you would put this in instead of putting the cup of vinegar inside of the tray. I mean, you could always do both. It doesn't hurt. But again, I like to use this one. Vinegar works pretty well in killing all the mildew and mold and anything that might build up inside your dishwasher. So this was a quick and easy video. You can always save this video because I'm sure you'll be wanting to clean your dishwasher from time to time. This is a quick and easy way to get it done, and it's, in my opinion, one of the easier methods, and it gets your dishwasher really clean. You don't have to worry about residue on your dishes anymore. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, taking the time out of your day, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.